Chur Vicky Wall and Dee Volliger chórsaí an tatan Chicatan ar dheimse sí há chúd ina ciat le reis le count ina mí. Bhí léháin bót agus caiilteach Port Láirge, chunas mar bhach có in ag fearn comsach na mí. Má darmat ancha a hamon tráfasta bouta tríd an tre lídal.
Trúscóir mar sin leis glyfa idir chun na mí agus Port Láirge. An ag bhfuir an baile. Gan de fúla a gahab ag na déise nó níos dorchan am mar bhíon de gná. An tí lua teánis ag chun na mí agus pas deas a seach imrat a chatríd an láir. Even clearly, agus chance ar scór beidir ar Cole as well. Cole tá Cole scóil de Kerry Cole. Fear lua an tús ag a bhfuir an baile an trin. Is Port Láirge teach ras. Bua Jessica Kildare I bwyd yn ag Ciris o beth ag ni brwr the teach jo Anya O'Neill. Sian y ffosig Anya an Rúhar Pastas ag Katie Murray. Breed McMahon chat go train and Josh Shanty Breed better Breed or Breed har Treston Fragrama ag Najation. Fotrash ag Port Láirge an Trahag is that Caracolian Conzera fi láthar. Rúhar Mahan ag Anya O'Neill. Butchistahike got Kellyanne Hogan. Kellyanne Chatterai Breed McMahon is Michelle Fotseke. Scoring one Fotsy Breed Hanahan. Michelle Fotseke Canchan or the son Darakan scores it. Ag Breed McMahon. Rash begin V reached. Still Jason Ulven Campson. Shakaji Kira Smith. Kira Smith of bowling with Jasray. August Harrod Traston. Port Láirge teach to reach. Machar Clehan. Machar Kellyanne Hogan reach. Kellyanne Gira. Gareth Shackleton or Clehan. So she's a fire. So she forces Eke Jessica Jessica. She will give her Lord Parker will end it. Let teach and catch her left look also. But the rest Breed McMahon. Breed McMahon Royock. Emerald Shelley Hain. Lauren McGregor Lay Hain. August Lauren McGregor. A Criech no. For the Handwich and Vichy Fotile Hain. Fokile Hain. But here to Raw. August and cool score also. Come on, me chacht. Kira Smith. On screen. Right, good Kerry Cole. She's the Connaught Shanavan shot. This is just pass all it. But a fortunate egg. Vicky Wall, August Vicky. Nidon Gaydor. Action Gentige. And Ganzi Glass to me. Shell Fos ag Port Láirge ach an Forest Borsin get three cool ag a chuig coolin Fos come na me Patricia Gira Eshin the Eju Kellyanne Hogan the Chatterstach pass of Kellyanne but Rasha Kellyanne Arish in the Murrar Park is the Murmahisha Augustin score brawl Kellyanne Hogan Lyda go Carinish so kick Sears Jachan behind the me a bullet Kira Smith. Cole, Colbara, but Don August, Kerry Cole, the Notch Cart, and Dara Cole, Kerry Cole. Pay Timo, Pager, Port Láirge got a shin, Rachel got a shach. Yeah, Shasson and Cole. Winter Reach and Lerodor got a shach. Pay Timo, Gemma Corker, kept in the shin. Shannon Foss, like, come on me, reached. Maeve Byrne. Von Rygergy, Vicky Wall, soccer, rugby, Pelnaman, Pelna Hostral is coming to Dowell, Hara Traston and Vicky Vichy Swin or Cole. Kui Colin Atra. Will Port Láirge Rita as arm, because she's action Ashton Hienas, the Jared Church of the Breed McMahon. Breed Rygergy in Lawn Coley, Chattarish. Tom Muim, a Chachton shot, as Port Láirge. Breed McMahon reach, puts a right, on Glushet and chop. Chancellor scores and can't with Harry Trash trying to give power. Kerev Julian Atra and ish. Port Láirge chacht reach, because Ord Walla and Dull. But a colony tough is sure how much we could tear or no. Push the Fanaclish and chop. Limonana on the rinnet, more round Orchama. Should the Kellyanne Hogan reached. Or should the Kellyanne Moleshka? Should the Fotseke. Trille fósach an cantre, but right, Katie Murray, agus a cantre ar a trastan. Nish ní le Coolidge yn y ffwrna. Nish, ddo heiniog hyn y ddoiog. Chance. Kelly Anna Chachterstach. Fósach a tasg Lauren McGregor has cool all. Oh, and Tawat a goal bar. Colin on Atrach, Pedro Gavin and different to West Atrach and Zera. Saw what's into Chinig Robin Murray. Marlene Cartorts ka Lauren McGregor vi cool waha. Agus on Bunyan Bunta. Na Costa Tucalo Eregan e Condan me.